I'm gonna tell you a joke. What did the chicken say to the other chicken when they were getting roasted in the yummy little chicken oven? One of them said, "I'm a chicken!" The second one said, "Are you a chicken?" And the third, wait, no, there wasn't a third one, was there? Okay, well, there's a third one now. The third one said, "I like chicken." And then the fourth one said, "Wait, you're a cannibal?" I didn't know that this whole time. This whole time, I've been videotaping myself. Please comment on our videos at the bottom of the page, my fingernail, down. And when this video is over, just go straight down there, videotape us. And if you don't have an account here, down, down, down to the ground, and pause.